Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps $1 Million Stamp and Die Set. This is a slimline stamp and it comes with this kind of oval die that cuts out the middle of the stamp. I'm going to stamp the image out for you so you can see what it looks like on paper. Remember, when using a red rubber stamp and your MISTI stamping tool, you need to take out the foam insert because the red rubber stamp is so thick. As you can see, it stamps out really nice. This stamp measures approximately 8 inches long by 3 inches wide when trimmed down. To trim it down, all you have to do is cut around all the sides of the stamp. You can leave a white border or you can cut it right down to the edge of the stamp. You can either use the stamp as is, or you can die cut the middle out with the oval die it comes with. This is what it looks like with the middle cut out. And this stamp just has a lot of really nice detail to it. I made this quick card to share with you, and I used the $1 Million stamp along with a Million Wishes stamp set. And I used the sentiment 1 in a million, and I stamped it in the center of the oval. And this will complete my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release. Don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.